Whoa, that's a cute headset. I was about to say, hi, Zahra, and then I saw the headset. Hi, Unicorn.
Hi, Miss Tati, beautiful.
Thank you. You too. Hi, Unicorn.
Hi, Miss Tati.
Hi, Keisha. Hey, Keisha, take a look at Zahra's headset. It's a unicorn.
Yes.
I don't have a headset, so I don't know. Okay, Keisha has a headset. Zahra has a headset. I don't. What are you doing, Zahra? Okay, so Keisha, what are you doing at 9 o'clock? You didn't answer that. Are you sleeping?
Sleeping.
I'm
I'm
sleeping. This is Keisha. I'm eating noodles. No.
no.
So what are you doing at 9 o'clock?
I'm sleeping.
You're sleeping. Okay. Now this time we're going to play a game. You are going to ask 2 questions to me, and I'm going to give you the clues. If you can answer it, you get the star. So the first question is, what time is it? Okay, let's repeat the question first. What time is it? 1, 2, 3.
4.
Two. No, you
It's
repeat
4
the
o'clock.
question, Zahra. Repeat the question. What time is it? 1, 2, 3.
What time is it?
Oh, thank you.
What
Keisha?
is it?
Keisha?
What time is it?
Thank you. When you ask that question, I'm going to show you my clock. Okay? Now, the next question is, what are you doing? What are you?
What are you doing?
Thank
What
you.
are you doing?
Got it. And I'm going to mime. For example, I'm going to do something like this. What am I doing?
Eating lunch.
You're
Eating
eating.
lunch.
For
You're eating
example.
lunch.
For example. Okay, ready? Let's ask the first
Eating
question.
lunch. What are you doing?
That's not the first question. Zahra forgets the question. What time is it? Okay, let's check. 1, 2, 3. What time is it?
What time is it? What time is it? It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
Zahra
What
gets...
time is it?
The second question. What... Guys, there are 2 questions. The first one is, what time is it? The second one is, what are you? Don't you remember? What are you doing? There you go.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're reading a book.
There, got it. So this time Zahra gets the star, the full star. So half a star for answering it's 3 o'clock first, and then you're reading a book. Zahra gets the star. Zahra gets the star. Ready? The next one. Go on, please ask me.
What time is it? What time is it?
Hey, what time is it? Got it. Thank you. Wait. It's Pinky and the Brain. Dun, 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 dun.
It's 1 o'clock.
It's
1 o'clock.
it's 1 o'clock. Say it with
It's
it,
1 o'clock.
Zahra. It's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing? You're eating lunch.
Hey, Keisha, come on, Keisha. More. Keisha is left behind. Let's go. Zahra already got 2 stars. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, ready? Please ask me the question.
What time is it?
What time is it?
Oh, this is Keisha. What time is it? What time is it?
What time is it?
Mm-hmm.
What time is it?
Pinky and the Brain.
It's
Keisha.
11 o'clock.
Keisha.
11 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 11 o'clock, but Zahra gets the star. Go.
What are you
What time
doing?
is it?
What are you
What
doing?
are you doing?
What are
What
you
are you
doing?
What
doing?
are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You're sleeping.
You're sleeping.
Keisha! No. I know Keisha can answer this, but she's just not fast enough. Come on, Keisha. You can do this. Ready?
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 8 o'clock. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, Erlangga is.
What are you doing? You're
working.
working.
Yay! This time Keisha got it. Sorry, Zahra. So half a star is for you, but half a star is for Keisha. Yay! Okay. Hi, Erlangga.
Hi,
Okay.
Miss.
The next one, are you ready? Erlangga, we're playing a game. You need to ask 2 questions to reveal the mime. Okay. What's the first question, girls?
What time is it?
What
Mm-hmm.
time is it?
Erlangga, can you repeat? What time is it?
What time is it?
And then the second one?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Thank you.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Okay, ready? Go on, everybody. Please ask me the first question. Are you ready? One.
What time is it? It's 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Wait. Zahra said 6 o'clock or 6?
6.
This time Keisha got it correctly. This is Zahra. It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. Go with Keisha. So sorry, Keisha got it. Okay. And then.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Oh, no.
You're making.
No. Change.
You're doing
my homework.
You're doing my homework.
You're doing homework. If I'm doing your homework, Zahra, you're doing my homework means kamu mengerjakan PR-ku. Yeah. Miss Daddy is doing my homework. You're doing your homework. But you can say you're doing homework. So Keisha got it this time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keisha got 1 star. Erlanga, let's go. Join the game. Okay. Zahra already got 3.5. Keisha 1.5. Ready?
What time is it?
Hmm. Pinky and the Brain. I don't know if you know this one.
It's 6 o'clock.
No, it's not.
It is.
Look at that. The long hand is not at 12 o'clock. The long hand is at 6. So you don't say o'clock. Do you know this time? No. This is how we say it. Okay.
Yes.
Remember, if the long hand is at 6, we say a half. So it's half past.
Six.
It's
It's
half
half
past.
past 6 o'clock.
Without a clock, Zahra. It's half past 6. Setengah jam lewat dari pukul 6. So it's half past 6. There, no clock. Okay? It's half past 6. Can we say it together? It's half past 6.
It's half past 6.
This is Zahra. It's half past 6. It's half past 6.
It's half past 6.
Erlangga, can you say it? It's half.
It's half
Half past.
past
Past. With T.
past
Past 6.
6.
There you go. The next question.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding.
You're eating.
No. What is memasak in English?
You're cooking.
Yay! There you go. You're cooking. Thank you, Keisha. Now Keisha gets 2 stars. I was about to say stars, but 2 stars. Ready? The next one. Pinky and the Brain. Hey, I forgot. What's the question?
What time is it?
What time
is it?
Thank you, Erla. What time is it?
It's half past 9.
It's
It's half past 9.
Yay. This is Zahra's half past 9. Thank you, Zahra. It is half past 9. Okay, it's half past 9. And the next question.
What are you doing?
Thank you.
What are you doing? You're watching TV.
Oh, Keisha and Zahra did it at the same time. You're watching TV at the same time. Okay then, so Zahra gets 1 star and Keisha gets half a star. There you go. Ding. Okay. Thank you so much for playing the game. Now let's move on. I'm going to ask you one thing. Do you know another country besides Indonesia? Apakah kalian tahu nama negara lain selain Indonesia? What?
Africa.
Oh, Africa is not a country, sorry. Bukan nama negara.
Ya juga.
What's that, Erlangga?
Adana.
Oh, come on. There are so many countries in the world. The one where
Japan.
Doraemon is from.
Japan.
Japan.
And got it. The one where Lee Min Ho is from. Oh, BTS is from. BTS is from.
Korea.
Korea.
South Korea. Well done. The one where Donald Duck is from. Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck.
Indonesia.
Indonesia? No way. In Indonesian, we say Amerika Serikat. But in English, we say USA. Can you say that?
USA.
USA. USA. So I'm going to erase this. You said Japan, and then South Korea, and then USA. How about this one? Where is this from? Ni hao ma. 谢谢.
Japan.
Japan? No.
China.
China. There you go. And then I also have this. What language am I talking?
English.
English. Where is English from? Emang bahasa Inggris itu dari mana sih?
New York. New York. New York.
No.
English. English.
England. Okay, can we say together? England.
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 And then we also have our neighboring country, negara tetangga kita. Do you know this country?
Malaysia.
Malaysia. Thank you. Malaysia.
Upin dan Ipin.
Upin. Oh yeah, I forgot Upin dan Ipin. And then we also have this country.
Singapore.
Singapore. Got it. Now,
Singapore.
Shanghai.
sometimes the times in these countries are different. Terkadang waktu di negara-negara ini berbeda dengan di Indonesia. What time is it in Indonesia? Check your clock. What time is it now?
Uh-oh.
Huh?
5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock. Got it. Now let's check the time in Japan. So everyone, please ask me the question. Mr. D, what time is it in Japan?
Daddy, what time is it in Japan?
What time is it in Japan? Let's find out. What time is it in Japan? Ah, Japa. Oh,
Java.
See? What time is it in Japan? It's
7 o'clock. It's
7 o'clock. And in Indonesia, it's still 5 o'clock. And then we have another country. Miss Teti.
Miss Daddy, what time is it in China?
Oh, in
In
China.
Malaysia.
Okay, sure. Why not? What time is it in China? Oh, it's
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock in China. How about in Upin Ipin's place?
What time is it in Malaysia?
What time is it in Malaysia? Let's check. It's
6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
already 6 o'clock. And then we have the language. What language am I speaking?
English.
English. Do you still remember? Go. What time is it in?
What time is it in
What time
England?
is it
England.
England.
England?
Ah, it's still
Half past
Uh,
10.
just read it's 10 o'clock. It's 10
10
o'clock
o'clock.
in the morning. Masih jam 10 pagi di Inggris. Ah, it's so different, right? It's so different. And then we have Donald Duck's place. What time is it in? Do you still remember the name of the country? US.
USA.
USA. What time is it in USA? What time is it in USA? It's
It's time. It,
5
it's 5 o'clock.
it's 5 o'clock, but
o'clock
it's 5
in the
o'clock in the
morning.
morning. Masih jam 5 pagi. Kita udah jam 5 sore. It's 5 in the afternoon for us. So it's so different. That's why we are learning about this. Can you please open your book to page 45? Okay. Are you ready with page 45?
Yes.
What are we learning today?
Work time.
World time. Waktu dunia. See? Check this one out. We're going to try and read this. Keisha. Ah, there she is. Okay, are you ready to follow me? There are 24 hours in a day. Please repeat after me. Go, Keisha.
There are 24 hours in a day.
Listen one more time. Zahra and Arlanga, remember to repeat after me, okay? Jangan lupa mengulang Miss Teti. There are 24 hours in a day. Hours. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
There are 24 hours in a day.
Erlangga, let's go. Erlangga, there are
There are
24 hours
24 hours
in a day.
in the day.
Ready for the next one, Keisha? Look.
Look.
Zahra, Erlangga. Look.
Look.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning in China.
It's 8 o'clock
It's
in the morning
8 o'clock in the morning in China.
Erlangga, your turn. It's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
Let's go. In the morning.
In the morning.
In China. You need to read, Erlangga. In China. Okay.
In China.
It's light and sunny.
It's light and sunny. It's light and sunny.
And the birds are singing.
And the birds are singing.
I'm going to school.
I'm going to school.
Which one? Is it the boy or the girl in China?
Oh, girl.
The boy or the girl is in China? The girl. Look at this. It's sunny and light. Now let's read the boy. It's 9 o'clock at night in the USA.
It's 9 o'clock.
It's
at
9
night
o'clock
in
at
the
night in the USA.
Erlangga, let's go. It's 9 o'clock
It's 9 o'clock
at night
at 9
in the USA.
in the USA.
It's dark and quiet.
It's
It's
dark and
dark
quiet.
and quiet.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed.
Now, do you see this one? What is it? What is this round thing? The world. Got it. This is the world, our Earth. Now, when you see the Earth from the sky, it looks like this, a bit round. Terlihat kebulatan, membulat seperti ini. And then this part, can you see this part? The light one, bagian terangnya, is the one that faces the sun. Adalah bagian yang menghadap matahari. That's why it's sunny and light. Makanya bagian ini terang dan bercahaya. But this part is opposite of the sun. Makanya gelap. Erlangga was correct. See? Now, we don't always have a morning or a night, right? Kan tidak selamanya dalam sehari kita hanya pagi saja atau malam saja. Right? It's because this world is turning. Karena bumi itu berputar. So, sometimes we get to face the sun. Terkadang bagian Indonesia menghadap matahari. Sometimes it's the opposite part. Terkadang kita ada di bagian belakangnya, sehingga gelap dan terjadi malam hari. Okay? Now, let's take a look at this. Yeah. We have cities in the world. Ada kota-kota di seluruh dunia. But first, what city are you from? Are you from Jakarta or from Surabaya?
Surabaya.
Surabaya. Thank you. That's what we call city. So what is city? What does it mean by city? Is it negara or kota? Kota. Got it. And what city are we from? What city are we from?
Surabaya.
Surabaya. Thank you. Now we have 4 other cities. Let's check this one out. The first one is, Keisha already said this. What is it?
New York.
There you go. Can we say it together? New York.
New York.
Erlangga, New York. New York. And then this one. Mexico City. Yay, Zahra got it correctly. Mexico City.
Mexico City.
Next one, Beijing.
Beijing.
The last one, London.
London.
Yeah, please don't say London. Okay. It's not London, it's London. Okay.
London.
Now let's take a look at the time. It's 1 o'clock in Beijing. How about the others? Please draw lines on your book. Silakan gambar.
London.
Please draw the lines. Gambar garisnya. On your book, Zahra. On your book. Okay. Erlangga, please draw the lines on your book. Silakan gambar garisnya di buku Erlangga. So, it's 1 o'clock in Beijing. Where is 7 o'clock? Where is 7 o'clock? Zahra, Keisha?
Where's Keisha and Orlando?
Is it in New York, Mexico City, or London? 7 o'clock.
London.
London. So, if you say it's 7 o'clock in London, can you say it, Zahra?
It's 7 o'clock in London.
There, it's 7 o'clock in London. I'm going to draw the line from London.
Mana caranya gambar kalau nggak ada penghapus?
There. Zahra, have you finished? Oh, Zahra has finished. How about you? Erlangga, have you finished? Then
No.
Zahra can draw. It's 12 o'clock. Where's 12 o'clock, Zahra?
In New York.
In New York. Thank you. Go. Please draw the line on my screen from 12 o'clock to New York. How about it's 11 o'clock? Where is it?
In Mexico City.
City or city?
City.
City. Keisha, can you draw the line? It's 11 o'clock to Mexico City. Yeah, Zahra, the line is too small. Okay, it's okay though. I almost can't see it. Hampir nggak kelihatan. Keisha, 11 o'clock to Mexico City. Keisha on my screen. Di layarnya Miss Teti. Okay. Oh, Keisha's line is so big. Zahra's line is so small. Keisha's line is so big. So I was like, whoa. Okay, there you go. It's 11 o'clock in Mexico City. I'm going to challenge you to say all four. Miss Teti akan menantang kalian untuk mengucapkan keempatnya. Check out the example. Okay. It's 1 o'clock in Beijing. It's 7 o'clock in London. It's 12 o'clock in New York. And it's 11 o'clock in Mexico City. Who wants to say it? Who wants to say it? Siapa yang mau mengucapkan seperti itu? Isha.
I don't know.
Okay, go. Zahra first.
It's 1 o'clock in Beijing. It's 7 o'clock in London. It's 11 o'clock in Mexico City. It's 12 o'clock in New York.
Yay! Thank you, Zahra. It's easy, right? Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. I'm going to give Zahra another star for that one. Ta-dam. So now Zahra's star is, how many, Zahra? 1,
No.
6? No way. Check again. There's half a star. Ada yang setengah.
5.
5.5. There you go. Zahra's star is 5.5. Erlangga, Keisha, do you want to try? It's easy. Let's go. Go, Keisha.
It's 1 o'clock in Beijing. It's 7 o'clock in London. It's 12. It's 11 o'clock in Mexico City. It's 12 o'clock in New York.
Yay! Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's from Keisha. 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 Check out the stars. How many stars did Keisha get?
4.
No, it's not 4.
3.
3 and a.
F star.
What is tengah? Do you still remember?
F star.
Ah, 3.5 stars. Thank you. 3.5 stars. Erlanga, are you ready? Let's go, Erlanga. Go. Let's try. It's 1 o'clock in Beijing.
It's 1 o'clock in
Beijing.
Beijing.
It's
It's
number 2.
number 2. It's 1 o'clock.
Ah, number 2. Erlanga, check this one out. It's
It's 2.
7. This is the number 7, Erlanga.
7.
It's 7 o'clock
It's 7 o'clock
in
in London.
London, not London.
London.
The next one, number 3.
Okay. It's 2 o'clock.
2 or 12?
2 o'clock.
Ay, no way. It's not 2 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock
12 o'clock
in
in in
this one, Erlanga. New York. Erlanga, in New York. Go. It's 12 o'clock in New York.
it's 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 12 o'clock in New York.
In New York.
In
New York.
New York.
And then
And then
number 4.
number 4 here.
It's
It's 12 o'clock.
no way, not 12. Before 12. The number before 12, Erlanga.
12 o'clock.
Before 12. Angka sebelum 12. This is not 12.
1.
1? No way. 11 in English. What do you call that? You see, Zahra is already 11 o'clock. Gone. It's 11 o'clock
11 o'clock
in
in
Mexico City.
Mexico
City.
City.
Okay, so now this is what we're going to do for your after Zoom task. You need to choose